Hi and welcome to a YouTube short video on the M38A1 wire cutter. The specifications of the wire cutter that was installed are detailed in these following images. You can see it's the Canadian Forces Technical Order. It's a readily available resource online. And it basically tells you how to fabricate and install the wire cutter to the front of your M38A1. The fabrication of the cutter was done by a company called World War II Fabrications. I just sent him through the images that you've just seen, and from that he built the wire cutter, which you'll see in the following video installed to the Jeep. I hope you enjoy it. So welcome to a quick overview of the World War II Fabrications, a company based in the UK's wire cutter that they made for me to fit to the M38A1 Jeep. I considered doing an installation guide, but this is literally 4 bolts onto a bumper, and I can show you here the 4 bolts, the bumper, and the nuts on the back, and how it connects to the bumper. And then side profile, or the front on profile there of the blades. And yeah, it's a real simple job to fix. Onto the bumper. What more can I say? Really good fabrication. Comes primed in red oxide primer. And it's just another addition to the Jeep. Total cost for the wire cutter was £65, and that included postage and packaging within the UK mainland, which I think is quite reasonable. As with all of my videos, if you've enjoyed the content, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you later.